Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain the questions and answers of Everest Meri Shikhar Yatra. Please note there's a spelling mistake in this. Please do correct it. It's taken from Sparsh textbook and it's lesson number 2, written by Bachendri Pal. So let's start with the short question number 1. अग्रिम दल का नेतृत्व कौन कर रहा था? Now, who was leading the first group or the advanced group, the group which was going in the first place? So, अग्रिम दल का नेतृत्व प्रेमचंद कर रहे थे. नेतृत्व means leadership. So, Premchand was leading the advanced group or the first group. Second question, लेखिका को सागर माथा क्यों अच्छा लगा? Why did the authoress like सागर माथा? आंसर, लेखिका को सागर माथा नाम इसलिए अच्छा लगा क्योंकि सागर माथा का अर्थ है सागर का माथा और एवरेस्ट संसार की सबसे ऊंची चोटी है. सागर का माथा means the forehead. माथा here means forehead of the ocean. सबसे ऊंची चोटी means tallest peak. So, the authoress liked the name Sagar Matha because its meaning is the forehead of the ocean. And Everest is the tallest mountain peak in the world. Third question. लेखिका को ध्वज जैसा क्या लगा? It's written here already. Dhwaj means flag. So what did she feel as if it's looking like a flag? What was that thing? Answer. लेखिका को तेज हवाओं के कारण उठी हुई बर्फीली आकृति ध्वज जैसी प्रतीत हुई. Now, the ice formation caused by strong winds appeared like a flag to the authoress. വിവേക് പറയും മോനെ. ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, എവിടെ എൻ്റെ കൊച്ച്? Here, तेज हवाएं means strong winds. बर्फीली आकृति means formation of the ice. Next question, हिमस्खलन और avalanche से कितने लोगों की मृत्यु हुई और कितने घायल हुए? Because of the हिमस्खलन or avalanche, how many people died and how many got injured? Answer, हिमस्खलन से एक शेरपा की मृत्यु हुई और 4 लोग घायल हुए. Because of the avalanche or the movement of the ice, big pieces of ice, 1 Sherpa died and 4 people were injured. घायल हुए means they were injured. Next question. मृत्यु के अवसाद को देखकर कर्नल खुल्लर ने क्या कहा? When the Sherpa died, actually they were all very sad. They were depressed because, a kind of fear groped them. Not only fear, they were feeling sad as well. So at that time, what did the Colonel Kuller say to them? Answer, मृत्यु के अवसाद को देखकर कर्नल खुल्लर ने कहा कि ऐसे साहसिक अभियानों में होने वाली मृत्यु को सहज भाव से स्वीकार करना चाहिए. So when he saw that everyone was depressed, he told them that the deaths that happen in such brave or daring adventures, it should be taken with ease. We should accept such deaths with ease. We should know that it is a part of such expeditions. Sahasik Abhiyan. Abhiyan means expedition. Sahasik means daring. सहज भाव से, with ease. स्वीकार करना चाहिए, we should accept. Question, next question. रसोई सहायक की मृत्यु कैसे हुई? How did the kitchen assistant die? रसोई means kitchen, सहायक means assistant. रसोई सहायक की मृत्यु स्वास्थ्य के प्रतिकूल जलवायु में काम करने के कारण हुई. The kitchen assistant died because of working in a climate which was adverse to the health. The climatic conditions were very bad. It was extremely cold. Swasthya means health. Ke pratikul means adverse to the health. Jalvayu, it's written here, climate. Camp 4 kahan aur kab lagaya gaya? Where was the 4th camp set up and when? Camp 4 7,900 मीटर ऊंची साउथ कोल नामक जगह पर 29 अप्रैल को लगाया गया था. Camp 4 or the Camp 4 was set up at a height of 7,900 meters on 29th April at a place called South Cole. I hope you're able to follow, children. Next question. लेखिका ने तेंजिंग को अपना परिचय किस तरह दिया? How did the authoress introduce herself to Tenzing? Answer. लेखिका ने तेंजिंग को अपना परिचय देते हुए कहा कि वह नौसिखिया है और एवरेस्ट उसका पहला अभियान है. Introducing herself to Tenzing, the authoress told him that she was a beginner in trekking and Everest was her first expedition. Now these answers you have to answer in 25 to 30 words. Question number 1. नजदीक से एवरेस्ट को देखकर लेखिका को कैसा लगा? नजदीक से from means from near. Answer. नजदीक से एवरेस्ट को देखने पर लेखिका भौचक्की रह गई. When she saw Everest from very close by, she was bewildered or wonderstruck. उसे टेढ़ी मेढ़ी चोटियां ऐसी लग रही थी मानो कोई बर्फीली नदी बह रही हो. She felt as if the crooked or the crisscross peaks of Mount Everest, they were looking like snowy rivers flowing. Tedhi medhi chotiya means peaks. Tedhi medhi means crisscross or we can say crooked. Barfili nadi means snowy river, a river of ice. Next question. Dr. Meenu Mehta ne kya jankariyan di? What all information did Dr. Meenu Mehta give her? Jankariyan means information. मीनू मेहता ने लेखिका को एल्यूमिनियम की सीढ़ियों से अस्थायी पुलों का निर्माण करने, लट्टों और रस्सियों का उपयोग करने, बर्फ की आड़ी तिरछी दीवारों पर रस्सियों को बांधने तथा अग्रिम दल के अभियात्री की कार्यों की विस्तृत जानकारी दी. Now, Dr. Mehta, she informed them in detail about constructing steps made up of aluminum, constructing temporary bridges, and how to use ropes and rods, and how to tie ropes on the crisscross walls or the crooked walls of the ice or the snow. And she also gave them information about the engineering works of the first group or the advanced group. Here, aluminum ki सीढ़ियां means steps made up of aluminum. Asthai means temporary. Pull, bridges. Nirman karna, to construct. They, when they are climbing up the mountains, they do have to climb temporary, bridges to cross from one peak to the other one. Latto means rods. Rasiya means ropes. How to use them. Upyog karna means to use them. Barf, snow or ice ki aadi tirchi diware means crisscross walls or crooked walls. रस्सियों को बांधना means to tie the ropes. विस्तृत जानकारी detailed information. Next question. तेंजिंग ने लेखिका की तारीफ में क्या कहा? Now, what did Tenzing say in the praising the authoress? तारीफ means praise. तेंजिंग ने लेखिका की तारीफ में कहा, तुम पक्की पर्वतीय लड़की लगती हो. तुम्हें तो पहले ही प्रयास में शिखर पर पहुंच जाना चाहिए. Tenzing said in praise of the authoress that you seem to be a very strong mountainous girl, a real mountainous girl. You should be able to climb Mount Everest at the first attempt itself. Tarif praise, पक्की really strong. पहले ही प्रयास में, in your first attempt. Next question. लेखिका को किनके साथ चढ़ाई करनी थी? With whom did the authoress have to climb the mountain? चढ़ाई means climbing. Answer. लेखिका के अभियान दल में लोब्सांग, तशारिंग, N.D. शेरपा आदि अनेक सदस्य थे. In the expedition team of the authoress, there were many people like Lobsang, Tasharing, N.D. Sherpa, etc. किंतु उन्हें जिन साथियों के संग यात्रा करनी थी, वे थे की, जय और मीनू. But the people or the friends with whom she had to do the traveling or the trekking, they were Ki, Jay and Meenu.